are leaving Southern Oaks. Not traveling too far today, just up to Bandera, Texas. So a couple hours and we'll be there. Well, today we are leaving Texas. We are right now in Bandera and we are headed to Oklahoma. We're gonna get a couple of things done to our RV at Rolling Retreats. And yeah, we're headed to Oklahoma. So we are right now traveling from Elk City, Oklahoma back to Tennessee. So we'll be in Tennessee a few weeks. We'll head to East Tennessee and then we'll come back to the Bumpus Mills area at our son and daughter-in-law's house. And then in the 1st of June, we're going to head west again. So you can follow along with us at our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, it is youtube.com/c/Soaring Together. You can go there and watch our videos and also like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified every time we post a new video. Recently we were in East Tennessee. We had attended the heavy duty truck rally and you can see several of those videos if you search through our videos on our channel. And then we left there, that was in Crossville. We left there and we went into Sevierville, Tennessee in the Smoky Mountains. Some of our friends went with us and we all enjoyed a few days riding our motorcycles and Jeeps in the mountains. Well, we had a good time at the East Coast Heavy Duty Truck Rally and just had a lot of fun with our friends and met some new friends. Now we are on our way to Pigeon Forge. We're actually traveling there, gonna be with a couple of our friends. One thing that Rickey and I do before we leave each trip, we say a prayer for God to protect us on the road and get us safely to where we're going and protect all those around us. So we just always do that and trust in Him to keep us safe as we travel. We have just backed into Rolling Retreats, new place. We are backed into one of the bays and gonna get some work done on our home. We are on the road again this morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. We are heading close to Denver, Colorado. We're gonna bypass Denver about 14 miles out and head north to Cheyenne, Wyoming, where we're gonna meet up with our friends. Well, this morning we are gonna leave Wyoming behind us as we head into Utah and then up to Idaho. So come along, enjoy the ride. In today's video, we're going to take you on our travel day as we traveled from Caldwell, Idaho to Montana. This morning we're all bundled up. We're going to take a motorcycle ride. We are in Coram, Montana. We're just a few minutes from the west entrance of Glacier National Park. One of the things that I like about full-time RV life is being able to go into the small towns and just spend some time in some of the small towns. Small towns in our country have a lot to offer. Absolutely. Well, good morning, Rickey Parker.
Yeah, good morning.
We are traveling from Park City, Montana, back up to Coram, Montana, where we'll be near Glacier. When we were there before, we did not get to ride the Going to the Sun highway. So we're going to do that this time. And we're going to meet up with some new friends. Today is travel day and we are leaving Montana. It's been a good stay, hasn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
We're leaving Montana right now. We are leaving Coram, Montana, which is right here at the entrance to Glacier National Park. So we are headed down to Utah for a month. Gonna go to Zion National Park and Bryce Canyon and Antelope Canyon, see some places we've never seen before. Well, Lord, we just pray that you keep us safe today, keep our truck running good, protect our home that we're pulling behind us, clear the way of anything that would come in harm of us. This morning we are leaving the small town of Cottonwood, Arizona. We are headed to Oklahoma. We're getting ready to cross the Sandia Mountains in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We were very excited to attend our first sport chassis rally in Weatherford, Oklahoma. This morning we are getting on the road again. Our destination is Bandera, Texas. So we're still traveling with our friends. We have just arrived in Hutchinson, Kansas. And it's been a beautiful day. We've had a good drive. No rain, no wind. And it's always windy in Kansas. We are in our second day of travel. We left the Kansas State Fairgrounds after the National Heavy Duty Truck Rally, and we are headed south to Aransas Pass, Texas. So last night we boondocked in a Walmart parking lot, and today we have about 4.5 hours and we'll be to our destination, our winter destination. 2.5 years ago, when we began our journey traveling the United States, we would have never dreamed that we would meet so many people. We've met some of you at RV parks, some at rallies, and some folks we've met through our YouTube channel. Then there are those we have talked to on social media and never met in person, but hopefully one day we will. And there are those we met through the purchase of our home and also with our truck. And I dare not call names because there's so many, I wouldn't want to leave anyone out. We've prayed for you and we've convoyed with you. Even some, we've stayed on your property. But most of all, we can say we have just come to know folks like us, living our lives to make a difference along the way and enjoying the journey. For some, life on the road can often get lonely. We can truthfully say, yes, we miss our family, our children and our grandchildren, and all of our friends back home. Without our family support, we would never have started out on this journey, and we thank them for understanding our absence from home. And there's one special lady who takes care of our mail and does an excellent job weeding out all the junk. But lonely? Rickey and I have never felt lonely in this life. As some would say, he never meets a stranger, and for me, I can always find something to do with my time to keep myself busy. We've truly built a community of friends from all over the country, even some from Alaska and Canada. So as we begin this new year of 2023, we do look forward to traveling with some of you, going to rallies with some of you, and most of all, praying for all as we are all living our lives in different places, whether it be part-time on the road or full-time. Our prayer is that in the coming year, God will keep His hand of protection upon you as you travel. We plan to keep soaring together, and we hope that we will meet you somewhere on the road. Happy New Year, everyone. Thanks for watching.